Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and we're doing something a little different this time. Today we are going to actually be doing our December Paycheck 2 closeout. And I have not gone in and really filled in like all of the pieces, so you're going to get to watch that process with me. So this is kind of how I close out the budget, the process of what it looks like, and then actually filling it in my little pages where I keep my records. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just 1 second. Okay, so first things first, I have to go, and we need to just go back to the beginning and pull out where I actually have my paycheck budget here. And then I have here where I take my little notes. As you can see, I have some notes already here, so just making sure, seeing and checking what's been going on. Okay, and then I have pulled over here, which you won't be able to see, and I am a-okay with that because I don't want to show you my bank. But over here, I have my bank pulled up so I can check numbers in relation to what I have going on, so I can make sure that I have the proper information. Okay. Was January travel already supposed to come out? Transfer. Oh, let me go. Be right back. Okay, so why does it look like I have two? That must have been for, yeah, that was January's travel. So January's travel did come out. That is listed here on the binder. So I have that. I have 85 taken out for business. I'm going to go ahead and pull out that 10 for cushion. We have the 300 for the envelopes, and that's the last thing. Oh, and 50 for the student loans that I took note of had come out of my account. So now let's go look at the account for. Let's go back down and see what all I need to pull out info on. So we're gonna go back probably one more page. Oh, okay. Hey, lovey, don't eat the plants. Come on, babes. So I have all my plants inside because it's freezing here in Texas. It's terrible. And I want to make sure that my cat doesn't try to eat the plant. So, okay, so this is, oh my goodness. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I was like, I don't understand what's going on here. This is Paycheck Closeout for the second one. There we go. Not for the first one. Here we go. Now we're on the right page. I was like, something seems off about this. All right, here we go. All right, so again, 300 for that's taken out. The 285 for sinking funds was taken out. We had Geico was 177.76. We had the 167 for savings. We had the 100 for house. We have Visa at 160. We have 50 for savings. Oh, that was supposed to be 40? Looks like we did 50. So I'll check on the math on that one. Giving had $9 taken out. Sister's birthday had $100 taken out. Okay. Looks like that was everything that I made note of that needed to be recorded. That's why I was like, this doesn't seem right. It seemed off. Okay, so let's go back through. Did we have anything come out for lawn? We had 0 for lawn. We had AT&T. Let's see. Payment. Banfield, we already counted. Mustang, which was water. Water was already counted. Let's go back up. Adobe. Where is Adobe? Adobe was already counted. Okay, so now we're gonna go back a page. We're getting caught up, y'all. All right, did we put that one in here? We had the movies on there. Let me check and make sure that money got put in there. Credit card payment, withdrawal, transfer. Okay, Geico. Here's Geico, 177.76, perfect. So got paid. Okay, my 300. Put in the money for paying my mortgage. Took out the Christmas money. Took out for paycheck 2. Pay house payment, travel, business. Put in a credit card payment. Perfect. All of that is accounted for. Okay. Okay. T-Mobile. All right, here we go. Finally getting somewhere. T-Mobile was 180.727. All right, we paid some student loans, so we put that money in there. I remember that. We did student loan payment. AT&T was $70.98. ABC Family was 10.81. I did actually go to the gym a little bit, so that's not too bad. Another student loan. I paid quite a bit on that. Let's keep going. Student loan. Canva, which I did put in. I put that money in there, so I'm not too worried. Okay, there's the, yeah, Barnes & Nobles is on there. Great. Cancel. 77. Lakeview, I did make that extra payment, but that's already down there. Netflix, okay, 15.14. Okay. Great, paid that one. Paid that one. All right, is that everything? No NTTA, and I do need to do the $9 for American Music. So that's the only one that was missing. All right, so that should be everybody. Everyone that was on the list should be done. So now let's go ahead and do some math, y'all. And let's count up. Let me move this over just a little bit. Let's count up what we had, which was 300. So we're going to do this line, the budget line, 285, 70, 71, 180, 181, 11, 16, 167, 100, 160, 80, oopsie, 80, plus 9 plus 100 plus, I'm going to do 50 plus 9, 1789. It's supposed to be 1779. So it is supposed to be 40 that was done. Perfect. Okay, so that was 1779. I think I did 50. I went ahead and transferred 50, so I'll have to just probably eat that, but we should be okay. Let's look at what we actually spent. 300 plus 285 plus 70.98 plus 177.76 plus 180.27 plus $10.81 plus $15.14 plus $167 plus $100 plus 160 plus 0 plus 9 plus 100 plus 50 plus 9 plus 57.89. And that equals 1772. It's 1772.85. And then we take 1779 minus 1772.89. And that leaves us with $6.11. Now let me check and make sure that that number is right. I don't know why I have the weirdest feeling that number might not have been right, so real quick. 285, 70.89. I know y'all are probably like, Mila, you know that number's not right. Y'all know I end up checking my numbers like over again. Okay, 300, 285, 70, 90, 1776. Ooh, these numbers are all off already. Okay. All right. $67 plus 100 plus 160 plus 9 plus 100 plus 50 plus 9 plus 57.89. Okay, I was gonna say I feel like that's not right. Okay, 1692.85. And let's go through this again. Okay, 300, 285, 70, 98, 176, 177, 180, 10, 15, 67, 100, 169, 100, 59, and 57. Okay, perfect. All right, now let's do this. 1779 minus 1692.85 equals $86.15 left over. And now I'm going to actually go in and do one thing. 'Cause technically I should be going in and but I want to make sure that my stuff is even. I want to see how much I have left over. So from this one, let me see what else I have left over. Was electricity on that one? Ooh, whoop, that makes me very happy. So what's left to come out? Let me look at my current balance. Give me just 1 second, y'all. Okay, I did not want to bore y'all with the details, but I'm in the wrong month. I basically just went in and made sure that I had enough to actually be able to fill that in and to see what my ending balance was going to be. So I am going to end up pulling out that $86.15 and going ahead and moving over here to additional payments and then filling that in and seeing what all I'm going to pull out to have monies for putting aside in other places. But I'm going to do that in the next video because we're already at 13 minutes and this is a little long and I don't like to keep my videos for money things too long. So I will actually see y'all in the next video where we're going to do some cash stuffing and we're going to figure out what we're going to do to zero out this balance. So I will see y'all in just a little bit. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come back so you can watch some more. See y'all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.